Ladies and gentlemen, myEcon just made it even easier for you to make money right now in 2025. What's up? DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content about myEcon or anything to do with making money online. When you hit that bell icon, you, my friend, will be the first to know. Now, in such uncertain times, if you're not in tune with what's going on in the industry, in the niche of making money online with companies like Modere, who have been a network marketing giant for 23 years, just closed their doors without any sort of notice. Leaders are literally devastated. The whole industry kind of was just surprised by this. And I'm not going to go too far into this in this video. I really want to talk about myEcon and the bonus and everything they got going on and how it's just the complete opposite from what the word is out there, what the trend is. And I've even had people commenting on some of my Facebook posts saying, like MLM is dead. And it's just like, no, that's just such a rookie answer. That's just such a fear-based answer. Companies like, Modere, who deal with like real products that have to get shipped, and they're competing with all these other companies. And there's a lot of other internal stuff going on there. And I don't want to dive too far into that. The whole point here, guys, is just, it's sad, and I feel bad for the people that were involved with that company. We've had some things on our team that have, really rocked us, and we've had to start all over again. And unfortunately, that does happen from time to time. But, in times like these, when you have companies that are closing, you have a company like myEcon that's just thriving, absolutely thriving. And they've just rolled out for 2025 an incredible bonus. And I'm going to break down everything here for you. And there's not only just cash bonuses that are available, so you can make even more money and get almost 100% commissions. Okay, so let me spell that out for you here in this video. And there's also something that they did to make ranking up, getting to the top ranks of getting to infinity. So you open up the entire myEcon compensation plan. They just made that even easier for you. Okay, so let me break some things down for you here. Okay, first I want to get into the cash bonuses. So yes, they're making it easier for you to make money. So check this out, okay? All right, so before I break everything down, let's just talk real quick about the different levels. So unlike other, big MLMs out there, or network marketing, or even affiliate marketing opportunities, where you can sometimes your buy-in is well over $1,000, even $2,500, $5,000 just to buy in. If you want to get all those bonuses, all those levels, unlock all the things like compensation plan, bonuses, stuff like that. myEcon keeps it really simple. So there's 4 levels. When you join at any of the levels, you get access to almost everything. You get access to the full compensation plan. Okay. So I'm going to break down all of the different levels, and I'm going to go over this bonus with you here and try to spell it out for you so you can simply, easy understand it. So with any level that you're at, with the way this bonus works right now, and I want to talk about the time frame here in a second. So let me get to that and talk about why they're doing this for the time frame that they are. Okay. Anytime someone joins you, you're going to get an additional $7.50. So I'm not going to break down every single level, but let me just take the $45 join level here as an example, okay? So if someone joins you at any of these levels, okay, 25, 45, 59, and by the way, the 59 is, that's the global level, international, anything outside of the United States, that's the level option you have to join right there. So someone joins you at the $45 level, right? You're going to earn pardon my drawing here, okay? You're going to earn a $35 commission. Simple. Easy, right? Now, what's going to happen, no matter, and this is unlimited, by the way, it doesn't matter how many people you sponsor, this is unlimited. There's no cap on this bonus, whether you sponsor, 10 people or 10,000 people, it's the same. As soon as they renew their first payment, you're going to get that extra $7.50. So when you do, okay, let's just do some quick math right here. That's going to give you on this membership level here, $42.50. Okay, just some good old school basic math right there. So someone joins for 45 overall, you're going to get almost a $43 commission. That's almost 100% commissions. And again, in times like these when, you see some of the turmoil out there in the industry, making money online, affiliate companies come and go, some network marketing companies come and go. myEcon's been in business for 20 years. They're rock solid and they have millions in the bank, completely debt free. And they rolled out this promotion. And the reason why, look at this. This is a 6 month promotion, 6 full months to go after this and make as much money as possible with the myEcon compensation plan because they just hit their 20-year anniversary. So they wanted to do something big. They wanted to give you an opportunity to earn on any of the levels. So they're going to give you extra money on any of the levels. They're doing almost 100% commissions. I don't know what the math is. I think it's like, maybe 78 on some, maybe, 90 on some, but straight up, you know, they're giving you more money where, certain companies are taking money away, certain companies are closing, and myEcon's just getting out there and absolutely crushing it out. So love seeing this. So there's your bonus. It runs at the time of this video, literally from right now through the beginning of October, 6 full months to get out there and go crush it. So maybe if you were in Modere and you had something really bad happen to you, obviously, you lost your income, you lost your team, you lost all those things, maybe you want to look at a company like myEcon because these are products and services that absolutely help you make and save more money. It's all 100% digital, over 150 countries around the world, all that sort of good stuff. I'll leave an end card here at the end of this. So if you want to see my full tutorial, how you get over $11,000 for free just for joining us, I'm not going to give you cash, but $11,000 in value just for getting started with us. Okay. I'll leave that end card here so you can go check that out. Also, as always, I'm going to leave my phone number right at the top of this video. Text me, ask me anything, drop a comment down below. So now let's talk about ranking up, guys. Okay, let's talk about how they made it easier for you to rank up with this 6 month long promotion and opportunity here. So let me open this up for you. Where do I have this info here? Okay, so let me break down these levels for you. I took a screenshot from the webinar the other night, and this is Ivy. He's the co-founder of myEcon right there. So here you go. Now, to get to platinum, okay, is 10 members on your team. This used to be 15, so they just made it a little bit easier. But here's where it gets really, really, really crazy. Infinity. Now, Infinity opens up the entire compensation plan. So in other words, you can get paid down to infinity. So this is a true transactional compensation plan, which means for you, anytime someone joins your team, anytime a transaction happens on your team down below you, whether it's 10 people down or 10,000 people down, whenever that transaction happens, you earn money, period, end of story. Okay, so this used to be 100. It's now only 38 to get to infinity, unlock that. And now the big membership level, CEO Infinity, which basically just means the renewals, and I'll explain that in a second, is a little higher. This used to be 300. It's now 200. So they're making it even easier to get you to the higher ranks because they want more people to get to CEO Infinity because they want more people making a full-time income with myEcon. So true transactional compensation plan, you get paid down to infinity. It's really easy to hit those ranks, like really easy to hit those ranks now. And as you get to the higher ranks, whether it be infinity, even platinum infinity or CEO infinity, every month when your members renew, you get a higher percentage of that renewal. So to give you an example, those renewals range anywhere from $1 all the way up to $13. So the higher you get, the higher the renewal. So imagine even just 10,000 people on your team. Let's just take 1,000 people on your team that are renewing close to $13. I mean, you're pulling in over 5 figures a month. That's just with your monthly renewals. Never mind when people join and you're earning the overrides. Those get paid out every Friday. But the first Friday every month, you get your renewal, and that could be awesome. And you can easily increase your percentage of renewal by ranking up faster now because they just made it easier to rank up. And again, this ties directly in with the promotion for the next 6 months. This is their 20th year. They're going big. They're swinging for their fences, and they opened up their doors all across the globe for anyone in over 150 countries to get in here, lock in these bonuses, and get out there and go crush it. So that is it, my friend. Hope you got value from this video. Hope you're fired up and excited for myEcon here in 2025. If you're ready to lock in, link in the description down below. Or you could just head to myEcon Global. I'll put that link right on your screen so you can see it right there. Lastly, if you did make it to this point in the video and you're checking out myEcon, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content here to my channel. And if you want to see my full tutorial and how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership, I'm going to leave that end card right here at the end of this video. Go check that out. If you have any questions for me, just reach out. It's an incredible time, my friend. myEcon is going for it, swinging for the fences, and giving you even more money. Such an incredible time to be in myEcon, my friend. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.